Hello everyone, this is Sandy Green and welcome back to my channel The Digital Zombie. I am going to remove this person from this beautiful scenery image. So first step is I am selecting lasso tool and select this object with free hand. Then click the right button of the mouse and hit fill and make sure that there is content aware and hit OK and process will begin. Boom, and click Ctrl D to deselect the selection area. Here is the result.